Alright, I'm Mr. Godwin Anya, your mathematics teacher. Today we'll be looking at a very interesting topic on mathematics. But before we go into the topic of today, let's look at what we did last week. Alright, last week we looked at length, where we learned that length is the distance between 2 points or places. We also learned the units of length, which is centimeters, cm, and meters, m. We also proceeded to conversion of units from meters to centimeters and from centimeters back to meters. Alright, we also looked at addition of length and subtraction of length. Alright, today we'll be looking at perimeter. What is perimeter? Perimeter is the distance or total distance. Perimeter is the total distance between, perimeter is the total distance of an object or shape. Perimeter is the total distance of an object or shape. Perimeter is the total distance of an object or shape. For example, you have, let's say, a shape like this. Alright? What shape is this, class? Alright, this is a rectangle. This is what? A rectangle. Alright, the perimeter of this shape is the total distance of this shape. The total distance of this shape. Let's call this A, this point A, and this point B, this point C, and this point D, the edges of the shape. To get the perimeter of this shape, what do? You measure this point to this point, or this side. You take the length of this side, AB, side AB. You take the length of side AB with your ruler. Alright, this is 30 centimeters ruler. Alright, this is exactly 30 centimeters. So the length of this side is 30 cm. And also you take the length of this other side. This side is called the breadth. Alright, the length of this other side is 7 centimeters. Sorry, not 7 centimeters, is 12 centimeters. And the length of this other side is 30 centimeters. And the length of this other side is side AB. Also the breadth is what? It's 12 centimeters. Yeah, if you take a good look at this shape, you discover that this side is of the same length with this other side. That is, AB is of the same length with DC. They are both 30 centimeters each. And also, if you look at this other side, AB and BC, you discover that AB is 12 centimeters and BC is also 12 centimeters. This, one of the properties of a rectangle is that the opposite sides are always equal. Yes, but we are not going to look at that. We want to look at the perimeter of shapes. So the perimeter of this shape is 30 centimeters plus 12 centimeters plus 30 centimeters plus 12 centimeters gives us the perimeter of the shape on the board. Alright, we are going to go fully into calculation. Alright, we have few examples here. Example 1, find the perimeter of this shape. The shape is here. And what shape is this? This is a triangle. This is triangle ABC with sides AB, AC, BC. AC or AB has been measured to be 10 centimeters. Has been measured to be 10 centimeters. And AC has been measured to be 7 centimeters. BC also has been measured to be 12 centimeters. Now, what is the perimeter of this shape or this triangle? Solution. Remember I told you that perimeter is the total distance around an object or shape. Perimeter is the total distance around an object or shape. So we are going to take the sum of these distances. Alright, our formula for perimeter is equals to, let's start with AC. AC is what? Centimeters. How many centimeters do we have there? 7 centimeters. We have 7 centimeters. Plus our BC is what? 12 centimeters. 7 centimeters plus 12 centimeters. cm stands for centimeters plus, what do we have there? AB is what? 10 centimeters plus 10 centimeters plus 10 cm. Alright? So what do we do next? You add the numbers together. This is 7 cm plus 12 cm plus 10 cm. 7 cm plus... Alright, what we have here is 7 centimeters plus 12 centimeters plus 10 centimeters. You either use your strokes or you use your counters for box it up to add. So let's use strokes here to represent the numbers so that we can add, we can find it easier to add the numbers together. Alright, let's count 7 strokes. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, let's count 12 strokes representing 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Alright, let's count 10 strokes representing 10 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So next we are going to add them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Alright, we have 29 centimeters here. So, perimeter, the perimeter of this shape is equal to 29 centimeters. 29 centimeters. I hope you are following what we are doing here. Alright, let's look at example 2. You can see the shape here and the question below. What is the perimeter of the shape above? What is the perimeter of this shape? Remember, I told you that perimeter is the total distance around an object or shape. So anytime you are asked of perimeter, all you need to do is look at the shape or take a look at the shape and add up the size or the length of the side if you are given. But if you are not given, all you need to do is get a ruler and measure the sides. When you measure, you write them down and then you add the sides together. Alright, we are going to find the perimeter for this shape. We have here EF to be 5 centimeters, FG to be 8 centimeters, and GH to be 15 centimeters. Also, we have EH to be 3 centimeters. So now, we're going to solve this problem now. Solution. Perimeter. What's the formula for finding the perimeter of a shape, any shape? Alright, perimeter is equal to what? For this shape, all you need to do is add up the sides or the length of the sides. So EF, let's start with EF, is what? 5 centimeters. So what we have here is 5 centimeters plus the next side is FG. FG is what? 8 centimeters. Alright, after FG, the next one is GH. Is what? GH. GH is what? 15 centimeters. That is plus. Then we also have EH. EH is what? 3 centimeters. That is plus 3 centimeters. So now, the next thing we are going to do is to add the figures together. 5 plus 8 plus 15 plus 3. Or using your counters, taking 2 at a time. 5 plus 8 is what? If you go to your rough book, you can use your strokes. 5 plus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, representing 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, representing the 8. You count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 5 plus 8 is what? 13. Remember, we've not added all. Next one, we have 15 here. That is 13 plus 15. Plus 15. So you count 13 and you count 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So next you add them together and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So 13 plus 15 is what? 28. Now this is repeated addition. You're still going to add 3 to 28. 8. That is 28 plus 3. But if you actually you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. And you have here 1, 2, 3. So we have to add them together now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. So altogether we have 31 centimeters. So the perimeter of this figure or shape is 31 centimeters. Alright. So we're going to look at just one row and we call it a day. Alright, we are going to take one more example. Word problem. Example 3. What is the perimeter of a rectangle whose length is 5 centimeters and breadth and breadth 3 centimeters. Alright, this is a word problem under perimeter. What is the perimeter of a rectangle whose length is 5 centimeters and breadth 3 centimeters? Earlier, as I started earlier, I showed you, I drew a figure on the board and I was trying to explain to you the concept of a perimeter, and that shape was a rectangle. I told you that one of the characteristics of a rectangle is that it has for two sides equal, two opposite sides equal. Alright, from this question, you are going to draw a rectangle this way. I want to make my rectangle very good. Alright. This is a rectangle. Alright. This is a rectangle, right? In this rectangle, you have the... Alright, what is the perimeter of a rectangle whose length is 5 centimeters and breadth is 3 centimeters? Alright, looking at this rectangle on the board, you'll find out that it has how many sides? 4 sides. This side is known as the length and this other one is known as the breadth. You agree with me that this side is equal to this side in length, isn't it? That means this is length, this is length. and this is breadth, and this is also breadth. So if the length of the perimeter in the question is 5 centimeters, that means this side is going to be 5 centimeters. And if this side is 5 centimeters, this side is also called a length of a rectangle. So if here is 5 centimeters, here also will be 5 centimeters, because the length up is equal to the length down. And knowing that this side is breadth, from the question we said that our breadth is what? 3 centimeters. That means from here to here is going to be 3 centimeters. And also, taking a good look at the question, you discover that, or taking a good look at the shape, you discover that this side is equal to this side, isn't it? So all you need to do is, what you have here is what you write here. So this is 3 centimeters also. So you can call this shape and then use this alphabet for the edges: A, B, C, D. Alright? So now, perimeter of this shape is going to be equals to what? Remember, perimeter has to do with total distance round an object or shape. Has to do with total distance round a shape. So we are going to take the length, the total length of this rectangle. Starting with AB. AB is what? 5 centimeters. Plus BD is what? 3 centimeters. Is plus 3 centimeters. And CD is what? 5 centimeters. Plus 5 centimeters. And AC, is what? 3 centimeters plus 3 centimeters. Alright? So next you are going to add up these figures here together. Or you can use your counters or strokes to represent those numbers there to make your work simple. Alright? This is 5. So we're representing this number with 5 strokes. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what do we have here? 3. 1, 2, 3. What do we have here? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what do we have here? 3. 1, 2, 3. So what do we do next? Count them together. So let's count them together now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So the perimeter of this shape is equal to what? 16 centimeters. Alright? I hope you followed up what we were doing, and we want to call it a day here. But before I leave, I'm going to give you just few assignment or questions for your assignment. Alright, this is our homework for today. We have here, find the perimeter of the shape below. Find the perimeter of the shapes below. Number 1, what shape is this? Alright, what is the perimeter of this shape? And number 2, what shape is this? What's the perimeter? Alright, just solve it and show clear working, just like I did in my example. Thank you very much. Stay safe and adhere to the rules and regulations that will keep you safe from the COVID-19. Thank you very much. Goodbye for now.